What's up, y'all? This is Mel and Keisha back with another Eating Chat. I'm Mel,
I'm Keish.
and this is a walking fat a fat woman's shoes. You ain't say no grace.
Right. No, you didn't.
What is that? You can wait till we say it.
Right.
Then you
Yes,
can
you
eat
can.
with
Yes, you
us.
can.
You can't? You can't? Excuse me, folks. Anyways, tonight's dinner, I have Salisbury steak and mashed potatoes. Keisha got some eggs and bacon. We drinking on that good old H2O.
I don't have Big Gurt with me, but because I ain't got no ice. But y'all know Big Gurt will do what? That save you in a crisis. Yes, she will.
Talking about
Yes,
to
she
make
will.
my food get cold. That's what the fuck.
How to get a Big Gurt, a Big Swole, or a Big Baby, or even a Male Baby will be in the description box below. So you're going to click that link. You're going to get one. You order yourself. Won't do it. You ready? Go to sleep. Thank you for the meal. Watch, receive, restore me, bless the Lord in the mirror. Amen. Amen. So what's
Now
going
you
on
see
with
the
you guys?
torture I was going through. You see
Whatever.
She
What's
wanna talk
going
about
on
that
with you
damn
guys
water
tonight?
bottle.
Let us know what y'all eating, and if y'all eating with us, also let us know what's going on in y'all neck of the woods. How's the weather treating? What y'all did today? Y'all know wanna know I'm nosy. Y'all know I'm nosy. I just opted for some bacon and eggs tonight. Cause
My sauce got mushrooms and onion in it.
after doing them pieces, I just wanted something kind of light. And this is like as they come to me.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. I love the runny yolk.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, so good.
I guess we know you love the runny yolks if you made your eggs like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
But you overcooked a few of them.
That one.
A couple.
No, it is that one.
We gonna see.
What you want in my plate for?
Am I?
Mm-hmm. What you eyeing my plate for like that? And if I overcooked it, oh well.
Give me a
I'm
piece of
eating
that.
it. Ugh.
How you know I wanted to overcook one?
Girl, you don't leave me alone.
Man.
Mm.
Next time I make this, I'm boiling some eggs to go with.
Mm. Next time I do this in the air fryer,
Now I'm gonna throw it in the gravy.
because I'm getting used to my new air fryer, so I guess I'll put it on 380, 390 for 8 minutes. So, because I like it crispy, crunchy, but not to the point to where I can't just bite it without having to eat the whole thing, because it's crumbling, you know.
Mm.
I probably eat this. No, I mean chicken tomorrow, but I might eat this tomorrow though
I don't know what I'm eating tomorrow.
for my first meal.
Lonzo messed over what I was eating for today and
But it'll
yesterday.
be scrambled.
Because as you know, I do my own eating chats on It's Mel Baby.
Mm-hmm.
I have one coming up tomorrow. Y'all gonna be like, really, Mel?
Oh. So you saw how that shot up? Oh man.
Who the hell called somebody so that you can see them deep throat in the bottom?
Hmm?
Before he started drinking that water, he was snapping his fingers to get attention.
Mm.
That's sad you
You
hungry.
good.
Your little brother didn't want no? Curtis, you ain't want none?
Kurt, he said no.
Curtis was too busy. Curtis was too busy working my nerves about my movies. And shit, and I'm like, bro, get out my room. Get out my room.
I don't know.
I just put salt and pepper
I just knew
on my eggs.
if I did my crabs, my lobster, and my shrimp, Lonzo was gonna be right there.
So that's why you didn't do it?
I ain't got enough to share. I only got one crab.
Babe, I have lobster, crab, and shrimp in there.
That's you.
He could have had one of mine.
I wasn't going through all that. I was cooking what I had for me. So tomorrow when we leave, I'm gonna take my seafood out the oven so it could defrost out the freezer, my bad. And I'm gonna
Okay, so you're doing seafood, okay? I'll do that with you. It don't make no sense for you to be eating seafood and me eating chicken.
don't it now.
No, it don't.
But your chicken, you won't eat it, so eat your
Instead of eating
chicken.
eggs and bacon, I'll just eat my pack of chicken
You was gonna eat eggs and bacon tomorrow?
for my first meal.
Her only meal, y'all.
No, I'm trying to eat too. And I'm trying to eat 2 meals, and tomorrow will be the day. So, tomorrow will be the day.
Yo,
Oh, look at that.
salmonella.
Girl, it is not dangerously uncooked. It's good.
My sons are juveniles. They don't think so, but they are. They working on my nerves. But that have you prayed today shit. Y'all know what that shit is?
I don't like it.
I ain't know what that shit was. Even after Rika showed it to us because
Yeah, I didn't really pay attention to
cause
it.
when she showed it to us, I ain't pay attention.
Right.
So sometime last week, I looked it up my goddamn self. And I was like, and they running around here telling that shit to each other. They running around hiding and hitting the walls and shit. Cause they don't want
Humping
us
the
to
wall.
see them. One of my
Working on a
sons,
bitch last nerve.
there ain't nothing wrong with that. But when you walking
Hear me
around
out.
playing the beat with your hand and shit. Or humping the wall with your beating your hand.
Right.
Be like, no, son. I don't know what the fuck wrong with y'all generation.
I have one more egg left.
My generation would have never played that shit.
And 3 bacon. I don't know.
And my son said, but he's world famous now. What the fuck I care?
Right.
I done started doing it to them. I'm gonna go watch it and get the dance down so I can do it to them.
Wow.
I bet you they gonna stop.
They gonna stop. They gonna stop. Tell me. They gonna stop. They gonna stop. I saw the whole thing.
Oh,
If she do that, they gonna stop. Trust me. They gonna stop before it gets started. Before it even get like a little started. Mm-hmm.
and
You already asked them, do they have their prayers to them? Dad, no, don't say that, don't say
do
that.
they have their wedding?
Have they prayed to them? But they're not saying. Y'all walking around saying, have you prayed to them? Then come on doing all this bullshit, whatever. And when she do it, y'all like, nah, Dad, don't do that, Dad, don't do that, Dad. Right? But y'all doing it. What's the difference? And I know somebody gonna say because y'all they parents and they don't want to see y'all do that, but we don't want to see them do it.
This boy was literally pumping his shit in his mama's face earlier.
No, he wasn't in my face. He wasn't in my face. Let's get that shit right.
If he was where you at,
Curtis,
turned your way,
Curtis.
he was. This is about the distance we were, y'all was, and he was doing that shit in your face.
I wasn't turned towards him. He wasn't in my face. Let's get that shit right.
I ain't say he put his dick on your nose. I said,
You heard me?
Huh?
What you say?
What?
I said let's get that shit right.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, you all late. That's a family thing. When my brother thought he wanted to be a rapper, dude, his hype man was just a little extra hype. You know,
whoever, Lord or Lord.
I don't know which one of them it was, but they was super hype.
I think that was
Bubba come out talking about, get that shit right. No. Bubba was, yeah, you know. And then get that shit right. I'm like,
I thought that was Bubba.
what you hollering at me like that? Bubba was the one rapping.
Yeah, but I thought he did that.
That was it was partner.
How
hype
he
man.
did that together in our kitchen?
Yeah, they was in the kitchen. Man, my brothers are crazy. Well, my brother that's still alive, my baby brother, that dude there, he having a girl. I'm so happy for him. You know, I'm gonna be a teacher to a niece again, you know, because I already have a beautiful little niece named Kelly. And he having a baby girl. He got his boy and his girl. And I remember he thought he was a singer, you know. You know, I ain't gonna lie, you know.
Push J.
Man, I remember sending him I had ran across their music. All our music, you know, is the siblings' music, mine, his, and Bubba's, and I sent it to him. He was like, man, he couldn't do nothing but laugh. He's like, man, that shit brought me to tears, man. He said that shit was just so funny. We really just, he was like, man, me and Bubba just really thought we was gonna be on top. You heard me? I'm like, but if y'all had kept at it, y'all would have been on top. Come on, man. I mean, y'all have been on top.
Alonzo and I tried some chips today. If y'all want to see that,
That was
it's
cool.
Mel Baby.
That was crazy.
Capital I-T apostrophe S. Space, capital M-A-L, period, no, comma, B-A-B-Y. Big B, I think. We did chips and we did some sour candy. Kind of pissed me off with the sour candy, but it's all good.
That's done. I'm done.
Because it was sour extreme. And that was something new for me.
See, when you eat the eggs and bacon and you cook the eggs and then butter. Oh, Lord Jesus.
I don't
You
know.
don't need nothing else.
I had eggs the other day. I should have put that. I'm going to boil some eggs and just set them in the refrigerator.
That's what I want to do. Just, you know.
Remind me
Prep
next
some
time I
eggs.
go to Walmart to bring back that thing, man.
Oh, yeah. I want to prep some eggs so I don't have to eat no full meal for my first meal. I could just eat a couple of eggs and call it a day.
Because
You know. Because I'm trying to
that's
do
too
2
much
meals a
work
day.
for that.
But it is hard. It's getting hard trying to do 2 meals.
You saw all the stuff you got to do to make boiled eggs and that thing?
You was telling me about it.
I be Jack. I'm going to put a hole in the bottom of the egg.
Enough of the shit to come out.
No, you turn it upside down with the hole to the top.
Oh, okay.
But I was looking at it because they were showing them cooking the eggs in it too. But I could do that with my sandwich maker, I think. Who that play for?
That's his.
Who made that play?
Him. Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Boy, what you doing that for?
Curtis!
Fuck? Damn.
Curtis! You running with the plate.
Curtis!
Like, don't tell him I had something.
Curtis, don't eat your food. Don't play with me, boy. I'm talking about Dwayne. He gonna knock down my water and shit.
You eat his food, that's on y'all. Y'all going outside. I don't want to hear none of that shit.
Well,
Right.
he just only
That
want
Shitowski.
he only want to eat beef jerky and drink water. Cause
Oh, you only wanted to eat beef jerky and drink water?
That's what he do.
Okay, so he can eat that.
Me personally, I think he stole me this stuff because all he want to do is eat beef jerky and drink water. But shit, I'm only eating 1
Shit.
meal a day and shit.
That
I'm
boy
trying to
took
make
that
2,
boy-
and that ain't
You let him
happening.
like he gonna make it with the beef jerky? Why you eating them potatoes like that? You ain't gotta eat the potatoes.
What's
you
wrong?
ain't gotta
You
eat
hurting?
none of it.
You heard him?
back.
You're back?
Mine was hurting too.
Well, sit down. Eat your food. Digest it. And go lay down. Let it digest, I mean. and
Or
then go
just
lay
give it to
down.
Dwayne. He gonna eat it. Mikey gonna eat it.
Oh, man. Man, these two is clowns. I swear they fucking clowns, man.
You want that? Oh,
Oh!
Oh!
still got me some.
Now see, if he smack you with that,
Oh.
with that, I ain't gonna say nothing.
Wow.
If he mashed potato smack you, baby, Gurt ain't for your protection, Gurt for mine, baby. Go ahead, give it up. Give it up. Oh, I'm sorry.
Mama.
I'm sorry, Gurt for my
Mama.
protection, baby. Mashed potato smack.
I will. I will kill you. I'll kill.
Mama.
Where you get this water from?
I got it from
How much it was?
But it's
$3.59.
What? Plus the 10%, right? $3.59 plus 36.
Thank you.
Y'all so ridiculous.
That's 60. $90. So
We
it's
got-
like $4 a.
I got like 12 packs of waters plus.
I ain't asked you all that. I just drunk one of them. I didn't.
Don't
count
worry
on
about
it.
my shirt, man. Right, shirt.
That
don't
that
mind my
Nestle
shirt,
ain't do
yeah.
me right.
They $3 each.
How?
Don't mind my
I got
shirt.
12 on my page
was
on
doing the
$60.
video. So
That's $5, boy.
God.
No, I got more stuff though.
Lord. Mm.
you heard of a fork?
Well, I ain't
How
going
the
for.
fuck? Who eats fucking mashed potatoes with their hands? Y'all some monkeys.
Mashed potatoes don't seem like a fork or
Y'all
spoon
just-
type thing.
Actually,
That's why I'm making
Y'all
that
just
thick.
some bumpkins.
It's
Cause
so
I
I
ain't
can
never
eat
did
them
no
with my
shit like
hands.
that.
fun fact. Mashed potatoes
I
is
ain't never
actually
did no
a
dumb
food.
shit like that. The most I would do for is with my hands with potatoes is, like, scooping it, hoping to scoop the last of
No.
it on the
You
fork.
get your hand like that, and you go in.
Ralphie's brother did it.
Like this.
Y'all just some bumpkins.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Y'all is
Yeah.
some
Oh,
bumpkins.
we?
I'm sorry.
No,
Who was the woman who was cutting pie with her fork?
I was
No,
about to say
it's-
that.
This is my knife. This is my fork. This is my spoon.
The spoon is the same thing we use.
Yeah.
For the scoop
That's
the
what it
potatoes.
is. That's what it
Right.
is. If you right.
I just said the
Look,
same thing to
look,
that.
that's how I cut pie if I ain't got no knife.
Where
This
you
is my
going?
knife. This is my
Where
knife.
you going?
This is
You
my
sink
fork.
over there,
And
sir.
this is
I
my
was the exact
spoon.
same thing
See?
to the exact plate.
Damn.
Wait,
Wait, what happened?
Oh!
Wait, what happened?
I let it.
Curtis said that, lick the plate clean. The way it said, I just did that exact same thing to that plate.
Oh.
Curtis.
Yeah.
What bump?
Curtis.
$5.
Man.
A $5 well deserved. Yo, Curtis.
Had you prayed today?
Yo, Curtis.
Oh, let me tell you.
Ted,
They don't want us to meet
I would
their
have to.
girlfriends, right?
I was just doing
Right
it.
now,
I was just doing it.
listen. They're willing to let me meet the girl. Well,
I'ma
Kurt's
wait till
willing
you
to let
start
me
working and I'ma
meet
go
the girlfriend,
ask
right?
somebody in your job, did you pray today? And they're gonna look at me, they first
They
gonna
gon'
start
know.
laughing. Then after they stop laughing, I'm gonna say, you ready? And I'm gonna get you down. Ain't that what they say? What?
Yo.
I'm serious.
Now do it again. Do that again.
No!
Do it again there.
Fuck no! No!
That's what
no!
they do on your
They
video.
don't do it.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, what's up, guys?
No.
Welcome back to Walking the Family with Shoes. Did you
Shit.
guys pray today? And if
Okay,
y'all
let
did
me
pray,
try to reel this back in. Like I said, they don't want us
This
to meet their
mattress
girlfriends
calling.
because they think that we're. What is it? Why y'all don't want us to meet your girlfriends?
Not too ghetto.
Cause I always told them I
We're
was gonna steal your
ghetto.
girlfriend.
We're ghetto.
Yeah,
I don't
they-
understand that. We ghetto. But Curtis say he's willing to let me meet his girlfriend. But not Dad.
And
But
I'ma
my
go
thing
to
is
his
this.
job when she on.
You sure
And
you
I'ma
want me
tell her,
to
have
meet
you
her and
prayed
not
today?
her? Cause y'all know me. They know me. They know I'm a fucking clown all around. You hear me? I'm a clown all around. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. And you rather me meet your girlfriend than her Rachel. At least she be more cordial than I am. Be like, what's up, bitch? What's up? And
I'm gonna wait till I see her.
look, she's not
Look,
black, but
if
I
I go
am,
in there, she ain't at the
she's not a
counter,
black girl or
I'ma
anything.
say,
She's
hey,
a Mexican.
Go
But at
back
the
there
same
and call
time,
Dora for me.
I'm about to go get him
I don't think she know how we act or whatever, but you know,
I'm wrong. They were the boys.
I'm like, who on the boat? Him and her?
Yeah.
She on the boat? She out there?
She on my
I
boat.
think so.
She's out there? She out there?
I think so.
Open that door.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to bust his balls.
I don't want to bust his balls.
He out there.
He on the phone. Oh, cause guess what? I was sure about to cut this video, baby, because I sure gonna see it. Be like, what's up, bitch? Cause
Why you want to see the Michelin
it is what it
Man?
is. I know you don't want to talk. Don't do it.
All the girls.
Don't. You can't talk about
I
his
can bring
girlfriend
you
when
some
your girlfriend
dimes.
ain't right either.
That's just one of them.
Boy, dime. Did you
What?
hear? He talking about.
How
You
many
talking
got?
about dimes? Your girlfriends? When you say you could bring some
Definitely
dimes,
got
your girl.
dimes. I got dimes still in the chamber.
You
Don't-
and him.
don't do
He
like
said he could bring some dimes.
I could bring you some dimes here. I settled for the
What, 5 dimes, 20 dimes,
no, like
20
10 out of
dimes,
10,
10
10 out of
dimes.
10, like 10 out of 10 I would recommend.
He
know,
talking
like,
about some damn. He talking about Lord Jesus.
Mama,
Lord,
you gotta realize
don't do
this,
it.
Mama.
Don't make
I'm
me do
twice
it.
as nice.
Don't
Mama,
make
you gotta
me
realize
do
this, Mama.
it. Don't
Mama,
do it.
I'm the son that's smooth as ice, twice as nice, and I ain't had a bad day in my entire life. Like, come on now.
Bullshit. I know who she is. I'm just. Who takes a motherfucking picture like that on the graduation?
Let me see.
Dang it.
Oh.
And you really can't talk about his girlfriend.
Mama, it's okay when his girlfriend really look like this, though, Mama. Like, Mama, come on now. His girlfriend look like
What
this.
yours look like?
Which one?
Boy, don't go there with no which one. Cause you only had fucking one. Well, you only I don't even know if he even got one.
I had
I'm
6.
sorry. I don't even know if he got one because
Let me see your phone.
one broke his heart and he was in here crying like a little hoe. Like a little hoe bitch
Why
and
you
shit. Because it is what it is. He was in there crying. You hear me? Men have feelings.
No, we don't.
Men have fucking feelings. Men cry. Me personally, I'm not that type of woman that, if I, you know, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe that's just a hard bitch in me that, you know, I only, you know, accept seeing a man cry like on certain things. You know, the birth of their child, their wedding day, you know, a funeral for their parents or their child or their wife or, you know, or their best friend or some shit like that. But at a movie or because a bitch broke your heart, what? Man, you better fucking man up with that bullshit. Yeah, I know, bitches cry. That's what we do, but at the same fucking time. I'll be sitting up there, I'm emotional and I can't let go, you know. And he swear to God he's a singer and shit, you know, he think he's a singer. So, you know,
I'm a better
he
singer
be up
than
in
you,
there
Mama.
singing.
You should know that by now.
He be up in there singing, what that man's name was I was just singing?
That was called
What is
Thomas,
that
I
one
think.
called Thomas and shit and that bitch, you know.
That's how
You
I
know,
do.
and then he fucking, Lord, I don't want to say about this little girlfriend. He got one that wore so much fucking makeup. God forgive me, Jesus, if she died, they didn't have to make her fucking face up. They didn't have to make her face up. All they had to do was just lay her to rest. That's all they had to do. She wore so fucking much makeup. All they have to do is just lay her ass to rest. That's it. And the other one, Jesus. One, she can't dance, Jesus. She can't dance. You know, see, that's not me. I don't like to talk about nobody, but you can't sit there and come for your brother girlfriend when you know you ain't right with your girlfriend. You know your girlfriends ain't right. You can't do that. I'm sorry. I mean, you just can't do that. How you gonna come for your brother girlfriend saying she look like
Yeah.
bitch? They ain't even your bitch.
Man, what?
That
Look at
ain't
my
even
DMs.
your
Look at the
bitch.
DMs. I'm gonna show you the DMs.
Boy, look.
I'm gonna show you DMs. Like, you know, realize, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. No. Hey, Mama, look at me.
Don't touch
Look
me.
at
I told
Mama.
y'all I don't like that.
No, come
Don't
on.
touch on me.
You can't. No.
I'm not a touchy feely
no.
mama. I don't like all that.
No.
See, this is why I don't like social media.
No.
I don't need the social media.
Curtis.
I'm about to just free
Like I
myself.
said, you can't talk about
from all social
you
media.
can't talk about your brother girlfriend when your brother
'Cause
girlfriend
when you
when
get
your
social
girlfriend
media,
look like a little dude.
You
I'm
learn
just gonna say it.
too
Look
much.
like a little dude. She look like a little rusty little dude.
My baby's a trick, and he don't know it.
Both of them pussy with her.
What? Ooh. I'm about to go die for somebody's country.
You better go die for her. Oh, Lord.
What the hell they
Ain't
got
no
to do
chick
with
I'm
being
about to die
pussy
for.
whipped?
Boy, you dumb. You're crazy.
You know what? This is not something for a
We
video.
about
This is
to go
something
ahead
like
on
for a
and finish
live or
this.
whatever. So yeah, we hope y'all enjoyed
For a
this.
live.
I'm saying this conversation is more like for a live than a video.
Oh,
And
Curtis
stuff,
said
you
when
know.
the Falcons lose, he gonna wear a dress for y'all.
I never agreed to that. That's the crazy part. I never agreed to that.
And we gonna burn his fucking Atlanta Falcons shirt on camera.
I just feel like that's a little overkill.
No, it's not.
You burn a shirt that like it's a shirt.
If it was all that, you would have wore it by now.
Right.
Cause I'm waiting for a special time.
Y'all just won a
They
game.
need to have
What other special time is that?
five consecutive
It
games.
ain't like y'all gonna get it.
We don't have to get the playoffs. I just need 5 consecutive games.
I'm hot, sticky, sweet. Yeah.
She up in here singing some pour some sugar on her.
Right.
Anyway. I see you.
Mama, what to
Bye, brother.
Bye,
Bye, brother.
Oh,
Right. How you get behind your brother do that dumb
How you
ass
holding
shit,
them and
man?
helping them? Wow.
What?
The fuck is wrong with my sons?
Lied. You know how that phone works, Mama?
The body of Christ
That's what making
compels
me
you.
lick a plate that
The
you
body of
already licked
Christ
on.
compels you.
Yeah, and I'm eating butt.
Oh.
You do be
Oh,
eating
you
butt.
nasty.
He do eat butt.
I know, because
You
I
know
heard
what?
you the other
You
day.
know what? I don't know.
I was like,
I don't want to hear this conversation.
He
Okay,
voted
finish.
Mama.
This is too much for my ears. I don't
Yo,
that boy
I
a
don't
booty
wanna-
bandit.
Yeah.
All his teeth. Tell me eat butt.
I told you. Don't play with me, you
I'm not talking about
bitch. I am not your T. Jones. I am
He
not
said
a
he
T.
a booty
Jones.
monster
bitch.
on his T. Jones.
Oh, that sounds bad.
Right.
You eat more than Boston. Have you ever got 40 though?
We all still taping. What is wrong? This is the kind of shit that we talk about after when the cameras stop rolling. All that when the cameras ain't rolling. This is the kind of shit we talk about.
You
I don't
ain't
want to
been
hear that kind of shit.
No.
I've been for.
I'll put it right
Hey,
back.
please stop that.
The
We
funny
about
the
I
funny
don't give a
the
fuck.
button,
But
I'll bring
still,
it
we
right
are still taping, man. I
I've
don't
been
think
for-
America
Oh,
won't
boy.
hear that. I don't think America won't hear that, bitch.
And at first, I must
Does
be
she
a
have a
stupid
butt-
dude
a
because I
butt
started
tag?
laughing. But after I stopped laughing, I was offended.
So the way you have you ate like poop or
Stop it! Stop
No.
it! I
First
don't
of
want to
all-
hear this shit.
You make sure she clean first of all.
We hope
So
y'all
how do you
enjoyed
do
this
that?
video.
They booty
We
first.
love you. Oh, come on, man.
What? Wait, I beg your
Can y'all
And he
stop?
gonna help because
Booty
he won't
butt
make sure the
cheeks.
streaks come out.
Wait, on the streets. I don't do nothing about streets.
And you, the doo-doo bandit. Doo-doo bandit. He eat the shit, you the doo-doo bandit. Wow. Oh, she said y'all about to come off it.
Anyway, we hope y'all
That's
enjoyed
crazy,
this video.
ain't it?
We love y'all.
I
Y'all
wonder what
take
my
care.
other
Be
son
blessed.
do.
Have a wonderful,
But thank
wonderful
the
week.
Lord, he's more of a
Thank you for
private
coming and
person.
watching and rocking with
Yeah,
us. And
won't
until
let
next
us know.
time, we gonna pledge you down and dig you later. Cause I know y'all can pick up what we are putting
Thank
out.
Jesus for him.
Peace,
Because
y'all.
these two in the dicking you down in it. Don't do that to your brother, baby. Don't your brother don't. You don't dig down your brother. That's incest, baby. And you don't dig down the dog.
Wow. I'm sorry.
Going.
Something
Do you
not
see it?
be- Did the words not come
You
out
put-
right?
You see it?
Not to hurt you. Good one, y'all.
All right, y'all. Later.
Have a good week. Every rose has its thorn. Just like every night has its dawn.
I just wanted to get you singing on
Like
camera.
every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn.
She don't need all that backup. Go on with all that bullshit. She don't need
I'm
all
done.
that. Okay, later, y'all. Say peace, baby.
Have y'all a blessed week and enjoy yourselves
She never
in this
said
cool
peace, huh?
weather. And on that note, I'm gonna say
Peace.
good night and peace out to you all.